and welcome back to my channel for another quick and easy recipe. Today we're going to be making This salad is really easy to make and it tastes so delicious. So I'm starting off here with one large cucumber and I'm going to peel it and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Next goes in one red onion and be sure to slice it really thin so you're not chewing on any big pieces. I'm adding a few vine-ripe tomatoes. And be sure to look around your store and look for some really nice, bright, red ripe tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes taste the best in this salad if you could get your hands on some of them. Now give this a good mix, and for the seasoning, I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon of oregano and a nice amount of extra virgin olive oil. For the secret ingredient, I'm using red wine vinegar, and this is what really is going to make your Greek salad stand out. It adds an amazing flavor. So toss everything together. And here I have a half a pound of feta cheese. Now be sure to always buy your feta cheese in a block and crumble it yourself. The texture is just so much fresher and creamier. I just hate prepackaged crumbled feta, so never buy that kind. Next goes in the Kalamata olives. These are slightly bitter and salty. They're in a brine and have such a wonderful flavor that's really going to make your Greek salad stand out. I'm then adding a few pepperonis and lastly a few thinly sliced green bell peppers. Now top this off with another drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkling more of oregano, and you're finished with this fresh and delicious Greek salad. I'm telling you now, be sure to serve this with a nice big piece of artisan bread to eat with this amazing, beautiful salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.